In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Calendar as its own app on Windows 11. This is useful if you want to open Google Calendar quickly from your desktop or Start menu without opening your browser every time. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then go to Google and make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Once you are signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. This is the square icon with small dots. From the list of Google Apps, scroll down and click Calendar. Google Calendar will now open in your browser. To install it as an app, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, go to Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App. A small window will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Click Install. Google Calendar will now open in its own separate app window. As you can see, even if I close the Chrome browser, Google Calendar stays open like a normal app. You can also open it anytime from the Start menu. Just click the Start button, search for Google Calendar, and open it from there. You can also pin it to your taskbar if you want faster access. And that's it. You have successfully installed Google Calendar as an app on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.